Another helpful tip from Steves & Sons Door Learning Center. Damaged or worn weather stripping and sweeps are ways that air can escape your house and should be replaced. The weather strip is fitted into a slot cut in your jamb behind the doorstop. It's quite easy to remove it by pulling until it separates from the jamb. Then, pull it completely out. It's recommended that you take a section of the old weather strip to the home center when selecting the replacement to ensure you get the proper weather strip for your door. To install the new weather strip, cut the sections to fit, then push into the slot on your door jamb. To replace the sweep, first remove the hinge pins and remove the door, laying it on a protective surface. Next, remove the existing sweep by prying one end loose with a flathead screwdriver and work toward the other end. Using a putty knife, remove any old sealant from the bottom of the door. Make sure the new door sweep is cut to the same length as the old one. It is recommended that you apply a bead of clear silicone to the face of the new door sweep. Next, work the two barbs on the new sweep into the grooves all along the bottom of the door. Staple the new sweep to secure in place. Wipe off excess silicone and let dry before rehanging the door. Once dry, reinstall the door on the hinges and insert the hinge pins.